Hey guys, we got this Hydro Nova Total Rewind Sculpting Serum, one fluid ounce for test and try. So this is vitamin C serum and also have some other components with the peptides and things. So that is really nice for your aging stuff. And this comes in a really nice box, the spray thing. And the spray, you can see like you can just put some drops of the spray and then just put it in there. So this is really line smoothing or with your correction thing, and also have vitamin C serum. So this is overall a nice serum thing, which I don't feel any allergic things or any other stuff, and really nice the things with the things. So they have antioxidants and then have the components that act like that. So really nice with a lightweight daytime serum.